Okay, we are taking a competency-based approach. What does that mean? Well, let's start with the idea of competency. What is a competency? It is the specific and measurable combination of knowledge, skills, and attributes that result in the performance of an activity or task to a defined level of expectation or performance standard. So let's pull that apart for a little bit. The combination is of knowledge, skills, and attributes. Knowledge means that you need to know how to do this. For example, we'll have competencies later about your capacity to manipulate, to use the digital tools of the LMS that you'll be using. And that you absolutely need the knowledge to know what those tools are and how they work. You'll also need to demonstrate the skills. And in that case, the skills is the ability to perhaps create a discussion platform or to upload an assignment or to manage the gradebook. And you'll be showing us that you can do that as well. And attributes, in some ways, we won't be measuring your sense of generosity, your good humor, but we will be able to see that you have the capacity to stick with the task by going and moving yourself through this self-paced course. So with each of these different competencies, you'll be demonstrating that you know how to do this. You have the knowledge, you have the skills, and then, of course, the attributes. So it's a competency-based approach. What does that mean? I said in the introduction, the course will not have tests or quizzes. Instead, you are going to work on your course as you move through here, this course, and you're going to demonstrate competencies by uploading documentation. So whatever the skill is in question, you're going to show that you can do it. It's a portfolio approach. So we have a needs assessment worksheet, which you'll be filling out, and we'll be looking at that. We'll have a set of written course goals and objectives that you need to write for your own course. And you'll need to develop a fully completed assignment. So whatever is required to show that you know how to do the specific skill in question, that's what we're going to ask for, and that's what you're going to upload. So the course is organized around competencies. Each competency is going to have an introduction that kind of demonstrates what the competency is all about. Then there will be a number of resources for you to explore. And you can go in, you can find the ones that are useful to you. You don't have to read them all. And you can find more resources. The world is full of resources. The internet is full of resources. So you can use ours as a starting point. They should give you what you need, but if you need to go outside, absolutely do that. And there will be an assignment to help you demonstrate that competency while you're building your course. Maybe that needs assessment, whatever that assignment is. And then we're also going to include a rubric so that you can kind of look at yourself. And as you're doing that assignment, you're thinking, am I doing this right? I'm not really sure. You can look at that rubric and you can make sure that you're doing it right. So we think you will really enjoy this approach, and it's going to be a different kind of learning, which is always a good thing for us to have as faculty.